In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use virtual backgrounds in OBS Studio. OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster Software, is a popular tool for video recording and live streaming, celebrated for its flexibility and powerful set of features. Whether you're a content creator, a teacher, or just someone looking to spice up your video presentations, virtual backgrounds can add a professional touch to your broadcasts. Let's walk through the process of setting up a virtual background step by step. First, let's open your OBS Studio application. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official OBS project website and complete the installation process. Once you've opened the application, you'll notice various areas such as the Scenes, Sources, and Controls panels. The section we're focusing on today is Sources, which you can identify on the lower portion of the OBS interface. Next, shift your attention to the Sources panel. Here, you'll manage all the various inputs that OBS Studio uses to create your broadcast. These might include your webcam video feed, audio input, and more. To add a virtual background, we need to create a source for your background image. So go ahead and click on the plus sign or Add button in the Sources section. This will present a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down, you'll want to select the option labeled Image. Selecting Image allows you to add static pictures as backgrounds. After clicking Image, a small window will pop up asking you to create a new source or add an existing one. In this case, since we are creating a new virtual background source, select Create New. You can give your image source a unique name that will help you easily identify it later, especially if you decide to manage multiple sources. Now, with the new image source created, you need to select the image file you want to use as your virtual background. Click the Browse button, which will open your File Explorer. Navigate to the location of the background image you've chosen. It could be something generic like a cityscape, a serene nature scene, or an image branded for your content. Select your desired image file and click Open. Your image will then appear in the background of your video feed in OBS. And there you have it. A simple set of steps to infuse a bit of creativity into your streaming or recording with virtual backgrounds in OBS Studio. Be sure to experiment with different images to see what suits your style best. Remember, the key is to enhance your content without distracting from the main focus. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and encouraging as you explore how OBS can elevate your video production game. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!